The financier of my husband's movie will surely consult you what to do with the movie now.
So,
Tell them that the movie is already completed before his death.
Mrs. Dapkupar, you are blackmailing me again.
The lawyer, the doctor, and the policeman, they were all hired. So, whosoever behind this is a very powerful man. First of all, I have to find Paul, the lawyer.
I don't know who killed Dapkupar, but I'm definitely sure that Mrs. Dapkupar is framing your husband into this crime.
Oh my god, but isn't it Mrs. Dapkupar is also missing?
I want Larry alive.
Yes, Mrs. Dapkupar.
What about the insurance money?
It is also all clear. The money will be transferred to your bank account by tomorrow.
Boss, the location transmitter inside Larry's bag had stopped working.
What? So you couldn't find Larry?
Sorry boss, our men had searched him everywhere, but we failed to locate his whereabout.
Oh no, now what would I say to Mrs. Dapkupar?
Last time the transmitter tracked him was near your residence. Maybe Larry is after you, boss.
Okay, if Larry is searching me, then let's help him to find me. Then
we will catch him.
Yes, idiot.
But boss, will it be that easy to trap him?
Spread the rumor that my son is hospitalized, and now I am at the hospital. Professor, have you found any new clue?
The fingerprints found in the cup, in which the poison tea was served to Mr. Dapkupar, definitely match with Larry, but
what, Professor?
But I found another fingerprints on the plate on which the cup was placed, and that fingerprint is not Larry's, nor Dapkupar's.
So, one more culprit to discover.
Yes, and I think this new fingerprint is of a female.
Female? Who could be that?
To figure out this, I need a sample hair of all those females who were around late Dapkupar.
That would be an easy task.
And I want the post-mortem report of Dapkupar to re-examine it again.
Dapkupar's post-mortem was done by his family doctor. I know his hospital. I will get it. I knew today you'll be at the church, so I was waiting for your return.
Honey, I'm so worried about you.
It's not safe here. Come, let's walk.
Chandler came to visit me. He said something that I never thought of.
Don't trust him anymore, do you know? There was a location transmitter in the bag he gave me.
Then what happened?
Then what? I get rid of it.
But I think Chandler is on your side.
How do you assume that?
He said, the fact is that Mrs. Dapkupar has not been kidnapped, but she is hiding herself for something else.
Do you believe?
Yes, he also said me to aware you that Mrs. Dapkupar is framing you in this crime.
Now I'm confused. Who to trust, and whom not to?
Have you heard, Mr. Paul's son is hospitalized?
Where?
Keep your eyes sharp. Larry will surely try to get inside this hospital at any time.
Yes, boss.
Daddy, I'm fine and healthy. Then why am I at the hospital?
Don't worry, son. It will be just a normal checkup.
But I don't want to stay here.
Keep patience, son. It will be fine soon. Wait, let me buy you a chocolate.
Okay.
Why is your man taking so long to buy a chocolate?
Should I go and check?
No. You better keep your eyes here. If anything goes wrong this time, you and your men will be fired. In fire.
I will be alert, boss.
My son is alone. I'm going back to him. Bring the chocolate when your man returns.
Yes, boss.
You? How do you get in here? And where's my son? For now, your son is in safe place. So tell me, where's Mrs. Dapkupar? Haven't you heard? Mrs. Dapkupar has been kidnapped. Don't lie. I know all your evil plans. What are you talking about? You know, now even if I kill your son, the punishment from your court will remain the same for me, as I am already convicted of a murder. No, please don't harm my son. I will take you to Mrs. Dapkupar. Good.